Just gonna sit back here so I can.
Oh, you can sit up here if you like. It's just no big deal.
Look, I'm such a driver all the time, so it's nice to just, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm always in the front seat, you know, like it's just nice to sit in the back seat. I promise I will not be a backseat driver.
Oh, no worries.
Alright, so we are entering in.
She's trying to get her stuff.
She's moving maybe. And so the thing is when you're looking for looking for a tiny home, you're like, okay, so where are you going to put it? So that's when you start, you know, looking around, trying to find what your community or where your community will be at. So
You're okay. These right here are good ones. These are the 675.
675 plots.
Yeah. So this one's a pretty good size lot.
Okay.
And so you can still see the pond.
Right. You do have a view.
Especially when your home gets here.
And then you get these 2 parking spots here for your car. And this lot is 675.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to look at the green one. Oh, okay. These are just the lots.
Yeah.
Now, are we going to view this greenhouse or?
No.
Oh, no.
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, but so pretty. Like you said, you definitely get the view of the water. And a nice, so these are the 2 lots. Well, you have more than 2. You have quite a few back here.
These are the 600, the short ones.
Okay, so these back in the back are 600. Okay. You know, one thing I really love is a tidy area. You know what I mean? So I love it that everybody's, you know, lot is tidy.
We didn't get to mow last week because it was pouring down rain. You're okay. You're good.
They get their fence. So if you want a fence, you can put your own fence up if you have your pets.
Yeah, there is a fence that he allows.
Okay, the one that she had, the white fence.
And these were the RV park. But, you know, these work very well. The concrete and all. Yeah.
Are these the same price?
These are $3.99.
$3.99.
You don't have a porch or anything on it like you know like this does.
Right. So without the it's set. The land is so beautiful. And how many acres is it again? I know it's on the website. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so beautiful.
Now that is a studio.
Okay.
And it's one big room and then a bathroom.
Oh, okay.
And I think she's asking it for 70,000. But
is that one for sale or? Oh, okay. So, but you can't look at it. No. Okay.
Yeah.
She's living in it.
No, well, she's not, but she hasn't given me a key
To show it yet.
She needs to really get stuff out. And then there's a shed too. The shed usually stays.
Okay. So the ones that are around the pond area are 700. 775. Hello. Which is nice. You're almost 100% occupied. Not too many more left to go.
And especially around the pond area.
So the highest range is 775.
Yeah,
That's the biggest.
These
I mean,
are 600s.
lot.
And
These
these work very well. This one right here is available right here.
That's a nice spot right by the water.
But if you have a back porch or a shed that you can put something on there, and or your front porch, you're not going to be getting into the meter boxes. But,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know why they put them there. They should have put them right by here.
Right. We always find those things after the build
I know.
comes up of. Oh, that's so cute. I love the white and the stained wood.
Yeah. I think it's got the copper. Yeah, copper roof.
Copper roof. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love this one too. Coming up, the cabin style stained. Oh, and then they have the matching
And this is a
shed.
good lot. It's a really good lot.
That's a
too.
nice lot too because the water's right there in the
Yes.
back.
And, you know, their shed is on their property.
Right. That's so nice. I love the way they have that matching. So
But
nice.
yours would be to the left if you did a shed.
Uh-huh. Over
So
to the opposite
This
side.
was my favorite view
Oh, so beautiful.
because you can just see the whole pond.
Right. Oh. So this is the view, and look at their beautiful, such beautiful paint, and then they have a beautiful backyard area here. And look at how close everybody has their sheds, so nice and neat. And look at the land down here, so pretty. Oh. You get this, you get this nice watered area here, the benches, and then there's a path all the way around the little lake pond here. So beautiful. Not quite sure how many houses are on the property.
What?
I was just saying, I'm not quite sure how many houses are on this property, but almost 100% full.
Yeah, especially around the pond area.
Right. Now this, like you said, is another great space. Hi. I love your house. So cute.
Thank you.
It's a beautiful view. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice and quiet.
It is, and you've got good neighbors. They're friendly.
Right. So pretty out here. I'm gonna ride around. You too. I love it. Just so quiet. Now, do you live on property by any chance?
I do.
Nice.
My husband and I are in an RV.
Okay.
He's not totally sold on a tiny home.
Not yet.
Because most of these are women.
Oh, really?
But this is a couple.
Aw.
And,
That's a cute one too. Very nice.
that brown one was a couple. But then most of them.
So does most everybody work? A lot of people still look like they're like, oh, look at this. So is this going to be a little green area here?
Yeah.
Oh, I think that's what he was talking about.
Yes.
To where you can come and.
Yeah. He's trying to get it.
Oh, I love the magnolia tree
I know.
in the middle. So pretty. It's very quiet. So in the evening times, what is it like? Is it a little bit more busier, or of course?
A lot of people now that daylight savings time and and everything, people are out.
Uh-huh.
But they like to walk and
It's pretty quiet. Hello. I see most people have their sheds right next to their properties.
And these are 675.
670.
And that's a 15-lot home, so
Okay.
it works very well with that shed.
Uh-huh. It's amazing how much room they have for the sheds too. You wouldn't think that you'd have that much room, but that's, yeah.
This one right here is available.
That's nice.
She
So
has not picked her stuff up from that last store.
uh-huh. Now this one is
This one
7.
is for sale right here.
Oh, this one is?
Mhm.
Okay. this spot right here, is that a $700 spot because it's by the water?
Yes.
Or facing the
anything
water?
right through
Anything,
here.
okay,
Yes.
700. So the most is gonna be the 700.
Yes, 775.
775. So now, is there any of them? So none of them are available to look at.
Yes, yeah,
This one.
yeah.
I'm
I
excited.
have some. This one, I think.
Oh, that is so
sold, but
pretty.
She's, but we can still look at them.
Okay. They have the fence and everything. They have the
Yeah.
storage in the back.
She
Totally
really
fenced in area or gated area here as well.
But she ordered a tiny home.
Uh-huh.
And they were nurses. And,
Uh-huh.
after a couple of months, they had 3 big dogs. It was just getting too tough.
Really? Wow, they did a great job.
No.
Look at the fence. Gorgeous. Oh, look at the shed. Oh, it's so beautiful. We have the nice shed here in the back, matching. Nice fence. Nice cover. So do you know how much she's selling this one for? Or
I think they are selling it for.
oh, nice.
Yeah, it's really modern.
Really modern.
I think they're 140, I believe.
Uh-huh.
Or
140.
149 or something like that. Yeah.
Okay. I love the beams and
This one came from Cowtown Cottages. I know a lady is interested in this one, so it could be something that
Uh-huh.
you could get with them. And
okay. Definitely. I love the window and the sink. And so Cowtown Cottages did all of the finishes and everything?
yes,
Okay. Oh, I love the washer and dryer. Huge. Bathroom. Look at how high.
I know. So.
And then bedroom. Wow.
And then you have a porch on the back
Ooh.
right there too.
Look at this.
I know.
Oh, they did it up. I love this. So Cowtown Cottages, go. I love the accented wall. So nice. Look at that. Get your closet space here. Wow. Wow. I'm definitely impressed. So 140. Wow. And then the porch is screened in even better. Oh, this is gorgeous. So the people, they had to make a change. Just
Well,
wow.
it just was too much, you know, with nurses, you know.
Uh-huh.
Stuff, and just with 3 big dogs.
Right.
It just was,
It just wasn't, yeah, it was not what they expected. And so that's why I've gone to a site to stay at one. You got to stay at some of these.
Right,
You have
yeah.
to stay in the tiny homes
Yeah.
before you buy one. You just don't buy one. You have to go to some of the retreats and places that have them
Right.
and stay at one so that you can get the feel, because it is a different, like you are downsizing. And if you're not used to it, and especially people with dogs, right?
Yes.
When they're used to having more space and this is beautiful though.
Yeah, they really.
They did a good job, and you have enough room here in the front to put your couch area.
Just she had a little less in
Little,
here, a
yeah,
little
that's
chair,
all
yeah.
you need. You have your eating area right here.
Mhm.
It's beautiful. They did an awesome job. Good job, Cowtown Cottages. They did a great job. Okay. I wanted to just creep around to the back over there and look at the shed. So would you say most of your the people here are retired, or are they
They could be retired and then to, you know,
working still? Oh, this way.
more grass.
And they did a great job too on the grass and everything. Their skirt is nice. So the lawns and everything are done.
And then you don't pay for there. That's no cost to you. And then also trash, you don't pay for that either.
Just your lot. Look at this. Wow. This is a
I'm
beauty.
sorry.
No, excuse me. This is a beauty.
She is.
Can we look? Can we look in it? Oh, and look at the little deck off the side.
They had already put electric
Wow.
in there and stuff.
So there is electricity in here. Oh, yes, there is. Wow, this is another room. You could put a bed out here and have a little guest house somewhat. There's some open, but I'm sure once they close that, this is a great space and there's electricity in here. It's nice. Beautiful. And here is the pond lake. Walk around. That's about a nice size walk all the way around. Just beautiful.
Yeah. There's some good.
So beautiful. See, I am noticing most people do have sheds, so that's good.
Yeah, there's an extension, and it is good.
It's another fee, but you know it's worth it.
You know, you're $3.99 in here, and
Right.
know, you need a little bit more
Yeah.
room.
They did a great job on this fence.
It's
It's like a plastic material, huh?
It is copper, whatever it is. But yes, it is. This is the fence that he'll allow.
Okay. Okay. I love that you guys have those kind of rules so that everything stays coordinated. And then they're hurricane strapped too, so
Yes.
you're pretty secure. Hurricane strapped. And look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. They did a great job. Now, Cowtown Cottages, they did the outside as well? Or the interior? They did the whole cabin. Wow.
And some of them are
Look at the side here. It's beautiful. And it's gated in, or it's a security gate area there, so you have to have access to get in.
Yes, this is gate 1, gate 2.
Uh-huh.
And the one up on the end down there, you can't use this out only.
Right. And then you also get the clubhouse and the pond area. So beautiful.
Yeah.
Clubhouse is free. She has a nice kitchen. You can see the clubhouse. I'll drive back around to it. I love the way she has her curtains there.
What about the roundhouse?
Oh yeah, whichever one you have available to look at, I would love to look at.
She has a great day.
Uh-huh.
It's good.
Okay. As long as you don't bite me.
She puts it up.
Oh, okay. Oh, and she even has a matching shed too. Nice. And this one's for sale.
Yes, and I think this one is. I think this one is one.
Okay. And see these back here, there's still like
I think
a
she's
few
down to
lots.
105.
Few lots here available. I believe she said these were $675 or so, not to be exact, but around the 600s. And you can definitely see how nice and clean